Hello friends. So I had put out a poll on social media last week regarding what sort of a cookware people use in their daily lives. So I got around aluminium cookware got around 15% votes, plastic cookware got 2% votes, and non-stick cookware got 34%, and maximum was stainless steel cookware got 49% vote. And this poll closed with 4,000 plus views. So this is an important information here. Being a health coach, so not only for balanced meal and weight loss what you should do, I want to share with you, but also your cookware, which is so important. What we use in our daily lives is so important. That's why I'm here to share this video with you. So for cooking, if you use Hindallium or aluminium pan or kadhai or anything you cook in, please know that each time you cook in aluminium is being leached into your food, including the usage of your foils too. Sometimes you just fold your food in foils and keep, or even in the air fryer you use an aluminium foil, and especially with the acidic foods it lets out a metallic taste. So it's not at all good for your cooking. For those who use non-stick, and in most homes today non-stick is being used, and non-stick is coated with Teflon, so they are only safe to use while the coating is intact, because the coating is very thin and it gets chipped off very easily, and once chipped all use of that cookware should be stopped immediately. It should be discarded, because if you continue to use even after it has been chipped, it can cause serious health hazards like kidney problems, liver disorders. It can cause thyroid and other diseases. So what is the safest cookware? The safest is stainless steel cookware. So as the name suggests, that the name itself suggests it's resistant to rust and corrosion, which makes it a great material to cook with. Next is cast iron cookware, one of the safest options out there, because it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals that can leach into your food. It is difficult to maintain cast iron, but like after you use it, just coat it with a little bit of oil and keep it for your next time usage. And next is glass cookware, another great option to cook with. So nowadays a lot of new products are coming where you can put it on the gas, where you can cook and serve in glass itself. So that's a very great option. So stainless steel, glass and cast iron, these are very safe to cook in. Say no to plastics, no to plastics at all, not even for storing any leftovers, and no drinking water in plastic bottles, no keeping plastic bottles in your car, just leaving it in your car and then again drinking it. So plastic is a disaster. So just don't use any form of plastics at home. So like over the years what has happened is, like, we have been using, and it has created a lot of health hazards in our system. We have inflammation, it's and other disorders it leads to. So just make these small changes. Just get some stainless steel cookware, get some glass cookware, start using cast iron cookware, and just see slowly you will see a lot of improvement in your health also. Also the plates in which you serve food, let it not be melmoware or any other thing. Try to use glass plates as far as possible. So this is a very important video, guys. If you find it really useful, do share this video, because I really want to reach out to people. It's not only like, you eat organic and you do everything right, you exercise right, and finally you are just cooking like and serving in plastics, or you just using aluminium for cooking. That may be very harmful. So if you find this video useful, do share it with your friends. And yes, don't lead a sedentary lifestyle. Get up often and use these small tips, which will be very useful in your lives. Thank you for watching. Thank you.